Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This command will import resource configuration to the state file. So let me show you what I mean by this. So we have created two resources, that is two resource groups using the Terraform. Let's say there is one more resource group that is created in Azure. So let me navigate to the Azure. So these are the two resource groups that we have created using the Terraform. So we can manage these two resources using the Terraform itself. That means if I want to make any changes to this resource group, I can make those changes using the Terraform commands itself. But let's say there is one more resource group that is created Azure itself. So that is not created from the Terraform and that is created from the Azure. So let me create a third resource group, demo-rg3, and let me click on create. So you can see there is one more resource group that is created from the Azure. So let's say if you want to manage this resource group as well from the Terraform, then we have to import this configuration to our Terraform using the Terraform import command. So for that, let's make few changes in our Terraform script so that we can manage this resource group as well from the Terraform. So in order to manage the third resource group as well, you need to add that resource group configuration files as well in this main.tf. So let me copy this resource block and let me make the change as rg3 and let me give the same name. So you have to give the same name that you have used while creating the resource group from the Azure portal. So I have used demo-rg3. So I'm using the same name in Terraform file as well. And let's save this one and let's run Terraform import command. So before running Terraform import, let me show you the state file here. So here under the resources, you can see only the two resources are available. One is demo-rg and the other one is demo-rg2. So once we run the Terraform import command, the third resource group information will be added to this state file. So let me run Terraform import and let me give the name that we have used here, Azure RM underscore resource group dot and rg3 space, and we have to provide the resource ID here. You can get the resource ID from the Azure portal. So if I open demo-rg3 and if I click on resource view, you can get the resource ID here. So let me copy the resource ID. Let me paste that here and click on enter. So this will import the third resource group configuration to your state file so that you can manage the resource group from the Terraform itself. So here you can see Azure RM resource group 3 import prepared and import successful. Now if I open the state file here and if I go to the resources, so this is the first resource group information that we have. And if I go a bit down, you can see this is the second resource group information and you can see the third resource group information as well here. So this is the demo-rg3. So in this way, you can import the configurations from the cloud to your state.